Using Onekeycash on Expedia is actually a very easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Onekeycash points on Expedia. So the process is actually very simple. As you guys can see, I'm at the Expedia's website. Now here, first of all, you need to select any of the flight that you want to book. And as you guys can see, it will show me all the flights available. Suppose I want to book this one, so I'm just going to select the flight. And after selecting it, I'm going to select the returning flight as well. So after selecting that, I will easily be able to, go to the checkout section by clicking on this checkout button. Here, let the checkout button appear and then we will click on it. So if I click on that, I will simply be able to go to the checkout. In the checkout, I will easily be able to, use payment method, different payment method. Here you can easily use your, Onekeycash points as well. So as you guys can see, this is the, flight details and this is where you are able to pay. However, if you cannot see as you guys can see, this is your, booking now, and here you'll easily be able to, use your Onekeycash points if you have some, including the membership. So as you guys can see, if I click on my profile, I currently don't have any Onekeycash points, so I won't be able to do anything. That's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.